You guys are in grade 5 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, grade 2. No, grade 5.
Sir, grade 5.
So
Sir,
grade
we
2.
are
in grade 2.
Sir, we don't even know negative numbers. Sir, we don't even know percentage.
So, till how many questions did we do in the previous class?
16.
15. Did we do 16th also?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Chippy.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Chippy.
Sir, we get to 20.
We did till 20.
So, just 1 minute. So, which question do we have to do?
You have to do 22 and 23.
Okay, sir.
What about 21?
So, beta, I have told kids that estimate questions we'll do after some time. Ma'am, Navu is absent today. Adhya is absent. And Diya is absent. And ma'am, Chatty is still late.
Ma'am, sir, I'm here.
Acha, you are here.
Oh, sir, you didn't see me. Sir, today is Diya's brother's birthday.
So she didn't invite me.
He's here. She's gone somewhere with.
Okay. Is Parisi the join?
Sir, I said in grade 6. You said we were in grade 5.
I got confused.
But we are in grade 5.
So, we have to send alphabets, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Oh. This is really difficult.
Chippy,
Yes, sir.
Candy, you need to accept. Chippy,
Yes, sir.
you have sent the answer, Chippy. How are you feeling today?
Sir, I'm feeling way better. Sir, guess where I am today?
You are at Radhu's home.
Yes, sir. I am at Radhu's home. How did
So
you know?
I used my magical powers to know. Has Mr. Bambi joined?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Parisi. Why are you late?
Sir, I forgot that we had started it.
Has Mr. Bambi joined?
Sir.
Sir, do we get breaks in grade 6? Excuse me, sir.
Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. So
Excuse
hacker
me, sir.
and yes, you are
Sir,
excused.
can you put a timer like you did in the other class?
But a timer cannot be put when I am sharing the Kindle.
Okay. Because of the device. Sir, why don't you put it from another device?
When that's a function of the whiteboard. So Jatin deposited this much in the bank.
I've
So I
sent you
have
since a long time.
everyone got it correct, I think. So we can go. There is no need for me to explain. The answers are A, B, I think. UV Scooty, you have to send to Rangini ma'am from next time. UV Scooty is also correct. So everyone do the 24th and the 25th question.
Who's Ragini, ma'am?
Ragini ma'am is a strict teacher, beta, because we have Chatty in the class now, and she is strict, and so Chatty needs some strict person to monitor.
So what are grand cases?
Crank cases.
Yes, sir. What are those?
So have you heard about? So what have you heard about those cases?
No.
I think cranks are used in car. Otherwise,
Then maybe small suitcases.
yes, cranks are used. No, cranks are used is the central component in the engine.
Oh, okay.
So have you heard about gone cases? Gone cases.
Cases that have already been solved and gone.
Like Sudaram is one of those cases. Right, Scooty?
So we have to give the approximate answer or the exact answer.
But I hear it's exact only.
Oh.
Mr. Ba,
Sir, I got a trick for the 25th question.
25th.
Yes, sir.
Same here. It's not exactly a trick.
Yes,
It's a
not
trick.
exactly.
It's kind of a trick, UV.
So you buy.
You buy. Scooty. Scooter.
It's more of common sense.
So do fast, guys. If you're taking time for the 25th one, you can just give the answer for the 24th one.
Sir, 1 minute.
All right, Rohan, Parizita, Mahuri, the answers.
But I sent ma'am one answer. I'm just calculating the next one.
Okay, beta. So one answer, ma'am. Please check one answers. Parizita and Rohan. So now I'll explain. So October has 31 days. November has 30 days. December has 31 days. So total we got 92 days. We have to multiply 950 times 92. All right. Any doubts? So Speaker Mahuri, why you got this wrong?
Sir, typing error.
So next, Ansh multiplied this by this instead of so he had to multiply by 79. Instead, he multiplied with 89. Guys, if you remember distributive property, the difference will be 160 into 10 because 89 minus 79. It's like this, 160 times 89 minus 160 times 79. So it is 160 times 10, which is equal to 1600. So this is the trick you must use.
Sir, I did this only.
Okay, so Parisi, the Ruhan.
Understand? Can you explain this 25th one again?
Yes, beta. Beta, you remember if we have to multiply 7 into 11, I
I
can
don't
multiply
remember
7
the
into
property.
8 plus 7 into 3. Do you remember this?
No, sir.
बेटा मैंने बताया था ना 7 into 11 I have told many times in class अगर आपको दो numbers को multiply करना है one number is same you can divide this 11 into 8 plus 3 so 7 into 8 56 7 into 3 21 7 into 7 77 similarly if you have to if I give you 7 into 9 plus 7 into 4 the answer will be 7 into 13 याद आया
Yes, sir.
So same here, if you have to do 160 into 89 minus 160 into 79, the answer will be 160 times 89 minus 79, that's 160 into 10.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Parizita,
Yes, sir.
you are Parizita, na?
Sir, no, but easy. Should I say Parisi's full name? No, Ananya.
It's just Parisi. It's nothing else.
What's her full name?
Parisa Jain.
Parisi the doll.
It's Parisa Jain.
Yeah, oh, okay, okay.
Parisi the doll.
I didn't know what
Alright.
you're saying. Whom are you talking about?
Alright, okay, okay. So do the 27th and 28th. So no one will say Parisi the doll. No one will say Parisi the caricature. No one will say Parisi the anything else also. No one will say that. All
But
right.
you said it.
So I just am telling no one will say that.
So why?
Because we don't have to trouble Parisi too much. A little bit. Too
Sir,
much we
I'm
don't.
not able to see your screen. Can I leave and rejoin?
Better let me reshare it for you. Okay, done.
Sir, I sent it to you by mistake.
Parisi, I won't be able to check because I don't have the answer key right now with me.
Yes, sir, I sent it to you by mistake. I've sent
It's
it to you.
okay, Parisi. The
Only Parisi.
So Zakman, I forgot the meaning of your name. Right, those who have done this can do the 29 and 30. Ma'am, please mark the hearts for 29, 30 on the right. The answer is CD. The UV scooter, should I explain? So the greatest and the smallest four-digit numbers formed by using the digits. The greatest and smallest four-digit numbers by using each digit only one. So this will be 8530 and the next will be 3058. So we subtract them 8000 minus 8 Scooty, we get 7992, right Scooty? Right, Mr. Scooty? Saturn, beta speak.
Yes, sir.
So those kids who are in CBSE or ICSC, so except for Ruhan and Chip, you all can do the first chapter from your school book. Guys, I wanted to ask one thing. On Wednesdays, can we do the class around like 10 minutes early, 6:05? Just
No,
on
sir, I have a
Wednesday.
sports class. I come back
Who has
at
a sports class?
chatty.
You come back at what time, Chetty?
So 6:05.
6:05. So anyone else has a class or anything?
No, sir.
What time?
Like just 10 minutes early on
So what time?
Wednesdays. So instead of 6:15, 6:05 maybe.
Yes, sir,
Just
we
like-
can do.
Okay.
Sir, because
Because-
of drills.
No, beta, not because of drills right now,
Other
because
other
of
class.
few parents have requested me.
Okay,
That
sir,
is
we
it.
can do. We can do.
So UI, you got the first question wrong. Beta, should I explain this?
No, sir.
Ma'am, can you mark the answers for 29 and 30?
It is smaller. B part.
So have we studied the properties of numbers? No. Today we'll study the properties of numbers. So who will read the properties?
Sir, can I? Chippy.
No, beta, you had stomach ache last time, na?
Chatty.
So I don't want to exert you.
Just
So
chatty.
the
I'm
chance,
totally fine from the
Sir, me.
previous day.
so the chance goes to
For me.
Ruhan. Ruhan.
Properties of multiplication. Property 1. Multiplicative identity. The product of 1 with any number is the number itself. For example, A 32,654 times 1 is equal to 32,654. B 1 times 10,483 equal to 10,483. Property 2. Property of 0. The product of 0 with any number is 0. For example, A 32,654 times 0 is equal to 0. B 0 times 10,483 is equal to 0.
Crazy. So easy properties.
So very well read, Ruhan. One advantage of going to Dubai is you get good in reading. So the second slide will be read by Candyman.
So the battery of my device.
Property 3 commutative. Even if the order of factors is changed, the product remains the same. For example, 100 A part 123 multiplied by 3 equals to 369, and B 3 multiplied by 123 equals to 369.
So one minute.
Property-
This property we have been, doing since childhood, but we never knew its name. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. This is called commutative property. The same goes for addition also. 3 plus 11 or 11 plus 3 is the same. In addition also it is called commutative property only. So have we understood, guys, commutative property?
Yes, sir.
Now the same property when we use with brackets means अगर मैं 3 numbers या उससे ज़्यादा, if I use more 3 or more numbers, then the same property will be called as associative. And in grade 6 we have to memorize the names. Commutative means 2 multiplied, result is same. 2 added, result is same. Associative, 3 or more multiplied, result is same. 3 or more added, result is same. So we have to memorize the name commutative, associative. Now, how do we remember associative? With associative, generally we will use brackets because 3 or more are used, and brackets tell us which one to be multiplied first. So this is how we remember between associative and commutative. In associative, 3 or more are used. So you have to memorize this. That's why I'm speaking again and again and again. If you want to write it down in shortcut, you can write it down, but you will have to memorize it. Next question, go on. Read next property, Candy.
Sir, can we have a break after this?
Property 4, associative. If 3 or more numbers are multiplied together, they can be grouped in any order. The product will remain the same. For example, A 50 into 2 into 3 equals to 50 into 6 equals to 300. B part, 50 into 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 100 multiplied by 3 equals to 300.
All right, thank you, Candy. So these are the commutative and associative. Now, next one will be read by UV Scooter. Please read.
Property 5, closure property. If A and B are two whole numbers, the product C will always be a whole number. For example, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, i.e. whole number into whole number is equal to whole number.
What does closure property tells me? That if we multiply two whole numbers, we get a whole number. So does
Very
the closure?
simple.
My question to everyone. So first of all, I will ask to Mr. Ba. Does the closure property hold true for division of whole numbers?
No, sir.
Why no?
Because, can I give an example?
Yes,
So, because if we do 7 divided by 3, then the answer will be
not a whole number. It will
yes,
not be
sir.
a whole number. So, but 6 divided by 3 is a whole number, but 7 divided by 3 is not a
It's
whole
not a
number.
whole
So, closure property is not valid for division of whole numbers. So, next question goes to Hacker. Is the closure property valid for addition of whole numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, I agree. Mahuri, is the closure property valid for subtraction of whole numbers?
Yes, sir.
No, beta. 3 minus 7 is minus 4, which is not a whole number. Whole numbers start from 0. So closure property does not apply to subtraction of whole numbers. 7 minus 3 4 is a whole number. But 3 minus 7 is minus 4, which is not a whole number.
So, sir, we are talking in negative also.
Beta, negative numbers are not whole numbers, no?
Excuse me, sir.
You are excused.
Sir, can you send the PDF in the group?
I will send the PDF in the group.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, can I read, please?
So beta, that day your mom was telling me you ate a lot of nuts, so you got the stomach ache. Okay, you can read.
Sir,
What
thank you.
Yes.
Property 6, distributive property. Point 1. If A, B, C are whole numbers, then A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. For example, 7 into 8 plus 3 equals to 7 into 8 plus 3 into 3.
7
Also,
into 3, not 3 into 3. What is happening?
sorry,
So it
sir.
is 7 into 8 plus 3 is 7 into 8 plus 7 into 3. What exactly what I was explaining to Parizida. Next, read ahead.
Also called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. For example, 5 into 7 minus 3 equals to 5 into 7 minus 5 into 3. also called the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction.
So has everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, Mahuri, did Meher get the chance?
Sir, how many more slides?
No, sir.
So Mahuri,
Sir, I cannot read today.
why beta?
Sir, I just got braces and the doctor told me to not talk for very long.
Can you show us your braces? Why is that? Doctor
they're
told you
very
not to
bad.
show us.
No, sir, they look really bad.
So how, like, let us give the marks
Mahuri,
points.
we can see it
From-
already.
So we can give the points from 0 to 10, like how is it looking?
So it will be a -0 or -1.
No, no, beta, we cannot give in negative.
Not
na,
at
so
all.
learn some positive
You're gonna
points.
look very cute, Mahesh. You
So
are.
how many of you want to see her braces? Please
Sir,
raise your hand.
Me.
So see, everyone wants to see. So see, it's so
Meher,
much
I
fun.
bet it's gonna be 10 on 10.
Yes, so it's so much fun, Meher. You are depriving us from the fun. My goodness.
Sir, I'll show you them. I'll show them to you for 1 millisecond.
Okay, done.
We couldn't
Okay,
see
fine.
anything.
I saw. So everyone give your points from 0 to 10. How are they looking?
0.
10 on 10.
10
10
on
on
10.
I
So
will I will
0.
give
11
I
out
will
of
give 9.
Sir, 11 out of 10. She looks very cute.
Sir, under.
Yes, Mauri, beta, it's not looking bad on your face at all. Generally, it's many times it looks bad on faces, but it's not looking bad on your face.
So they
So this
thought
is like, yeah, but this is beta. I'm not saying this just for the sake of saying. I really mean it. It's not looking bad at all.
Sir, where did the 1 point go?
One point, 1 point. Because I feel it's artificial, not natural. So there. All right.
What do you mean by that? This is our artificial.
Yes, so that's why at 1 point. No?
So now can you put
Alright.
the timer?
Yes, now I can put the timer.
So wait, let me adjust my camera.
So the first questions goes to everyone. I'll give 2 questions. Smallest natural number and smallest.
So what is natural number?
So let me explain only. I think that would be better. So natural numbers start from
So it's in a school book, the first chapter. Whole numbers, natural numbers.
2, 3, 4. They start from 1. While whole numbers start from
0.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
So
and
what's
so
the
on.
big difference?
So the difference is
There's
all
no
natural
zero.
numbers are whole numbers. But are all whole numbers natural numbers?
Sir, are whole numbers whole numbers? No.
Yes, whole numbers are whole numbers. Saturn is Saturn.
Sir,
Scooter
they
is
aren't.
scooter. Mauri is Mauri. So the
Sir,
thing,
zero
it's
isn't a
like,
whole
see,
number.
listen to me. It's like saying that all girls are students, but all students are not girls because there are boys also. So all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all natural whole numbers are not natural numbers because of the zero.
So why is zero getting in between? It's
So
only a whole
zero
number.
is
Chuck him
nothing.
out. Chuck him out.
Okay. Now,
Mr. Randa.
does zero, no,
But zero is
does
a whole number.
all whole numbers have a successor, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
So yes.
I will ask this question from Chatty. Does
Yes,
all
sir.
whole numbers? Yes. The next question goes to
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes.
Sir, does infinity have a successor?
Beta,
Infinity
you
and
cannot define infinity. For having a successor, you need to define that thing. So, does all whole numbers have a predecessor? So, the question goes to Parizida.
Sir, no.
No, very good. Why?
Zero does not have, and before zero there is -1. So -1
Yes,
is not a
very
whole.
good. Because of zero, all whole numbers does not have a predecessor.
But -1 is the predecessor of 0.
No, beta, that's an integer, na? So we cannot call it a predecessor defined in the whole number system. So which
0 isn't
two
a
whole
whole number.
numbers
It's 0, like it is not.
whose product may not be a natural number?
Two whole numbers.
Sir,
So the chance who wants to answer?
sir, not me. It's very difficult.
So Candy.
Mhm.
Candy.
Sir, I didn't understand it.
बेटा कौन से दो होल नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जिनका प्रोडक्ट नेचुरल नंबर नहीं होगा? हैकर.
Sir, me?
Sir, 0 into any number.
Yes, beta. Zero and any number will
Sir,
not give a natural number.
Sir,
Zero
my
times
answer
two.
is 0 into 999 million into 999 octillion into 999 septillion into 999 sextillion.
All right.
999 quadrillion into 999 quadrillion into 999 trillion into 999 billion into 999 million into 999,999
So how many whole numbers lie between 20 and 30? Give it the answer in the chat. Give the answer in the chat. And don't chattu with me. You have to give the answer in the chat. But don't chattu with me.
Sir, do we have to include 20 and 30?
But I can't tell you that.
Sorry, sir, I by mistakenly sent the wrong answer. It's in the chat.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Ma'am? Acha, you said to Ragini, ma'am. I thought you told me, ma'am. Like you used to sometimes.
I never said ma'am to you.
Sometimes you said ma'am to
Probably
me.
did.
No.
You probably did a
Everybody
lot
did.
of times. I remember.
Yes, yes. One time I said you ma'am. Because
You have
we
told
don't
ma'am
have
many times to me.
no, because we don't have habit to say sir now, because every teacher in our school is like 99.9% a female, so we
Ma'am,
call ma'am.
so
You said
you
it
have
all the
So
time
I
included
in
might
me.
offline
have
classes.
You
I
have
might have seen
included
you.
me in that category. Very good.
You
Sorry,
said that
sir.
all the
I'll
time in
never,
offline classes.
I'll never do that again.
You probably will.
No, I'll not.
You
Sir, I
probably will.
say-
Even I agree.
No, I'll never say you. You can. Let's do a deal. If I say ma'am to you, no, don't count this one. Don't count this one. That if I say ma'am to you by mistake, you have to give me a punishment.
I'll tell you what the punishment will be.
So make her walk to your house.
No, that is a really big punishment. Give us small, this much
That's
punishment.
not 999 billion, 999 octillion, 999 septillion, 999 sextillion, 999 quadrillion, 999 trillion, 999 trillion, 999 billion, 999 million, 999,999 into 800
All right, guys. All right.
billion.
Where did you learn
So
that?
the correct answer will be 9. Now, how? You can easily write and see 21 and 22.
So we cannot see what you're writing. We can only see dots. Yeah, who did that?
So by mistake, I 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So they are 9. Now, what is the shortcut? So, Zapman, for your information, whenever the word is between, we don't count. We don't count the starting
The
at
two
the
numbers.
end. They are not counted. All right, they are not counted. The starting and the end will not be counted. So I am
Okay,
not
sir.
going to count that. I don't know what happened to the pen. It's not writing. So anyway, so it will not be counted. And what is the easy way to do it? Can anyone tell me the easy way?
Sir, I can maybe.
Try it.
Sir, we just don't need to count 30. Or we can subtract 1 from 10 because there are 10 numbers.
Yes, so that's what we are going to do.
There are
If the
11
easy
total.
shortcut way is, I don't know why this pen is not working.
They're
I
not
can
10 numbers,
try
it's
from
11.
this pen.
So we have to subtract 2. The
What's the
first
easy shortcut way? We can do 30 minus 20. I will get 10. Then I can do what? Then I can subtract 1 from this 10 to get the answer 9. So there are 9 whole numbers between. If you subtract any two numbers, then you subtract 1, you will get the answer. Got it,
Why
guys?
don't
Yes.
we do 30 minus 21? One more.
Yes, we can do all that also, but I think this is more easy. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So 1 second, please excuse me for a minute. I'll just, with my magical powers, let me get the
Erase
next
everything.
question on the screen. No, this whiteboard, I don't erase anything at all. You know the reason why?
It's infinite.
No, why don't I erase anything from this? Can anyone tell me?
Tell me.
Yes.
You don't
So,
like
so next time you don't have to ask us what did we do last time.
Yes. Otherwise, I forget.
So wow.
Sometimes I forget the class only. That which class is this? Sometimes I forget that.
So Rohan is a genius.
Sir, you have such a bad memory that you don't even remember in which grade or which class you are telling us.
So in which grade
No,
are we?
that's awesome memory.
So we are in grade 5.
Yes, sir.
No.
About to be in grade 5.
You guys
Yeah.
are in. That's great.
We're already in grade 5. The orientation has been done.
Oh yes.
But still we are not in grade 5.
We are.
Only the orientation has been done. We've not.
Still we are.
But one online class has been conducted, so we are officially.
That
in grade
was.
Yes,
We are
we
officially
are. We are.
We are not.
So with my magical powers, I am bringing the question on the screen. So hey, magical powers, please help me bring the question. And here it is.
You just copied.
Then you probably wrote it somewhere else, copied it, and pasted it.
Sir, we clearly know that. You did control plus V. Control plus V like this. Pew, pew, pew.
Probably first you did control plus C, then control plus P. That's why sir took so much time.
With the magical powers invested in me,
Then why is this such a difficult question?
UV scooter.
That's not my name.
So what is Lingmoorfell?
What are what?
So what is Lingmoorfell?
Langur fell.
No sir,
So Langur fell from the tree.
No sir, Lingmoorfell.
So Chip, beta, whose successor is this?
Sir, I thought right the successor of the number. Oh my god.
No. So
Sir,
the
I know
answer
the
will be
answer. I know 379599. Is it correct?
379
599.
599.
Yes, I got
Very
it
good,
correct.
very good. You know how to subtract. That's great. You know it. Great, great work, Chip.
Sir,
Very
I
good.
have a
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
I
ask.
did not get this answer correct because I did not have any nuts in the morning.
Okay, okay. Yes.
Sir, if we be good kids, can you bring back Kidzos to the class?
No, beta, for grade 6, there are no Kidzo scheme.
Excuse me, sir.
Anything for
Yes.
the
So can you tell ma'am to switch on her camera once?
Yes,
Can you do what?
Can you tell ma'am to switch on her camera once?
And why
I
do
will
you
tell
not say
ma'am to
anything?
switch on her camera once, but for now, let's do this question. What does suitable rearrangement mean? So whenever you have to add two numbers with suitable rearrangement, we try
First
to
we can.
add the friends first. We try to add the friends first, and then we add the numbers. And for
Sir,
your
can you tell
information,
again?
So can you solve
we
one?
add the friends first. We add the friends first.
837 and 660.
You don't know who are friends?
No,
Like
sir.
me and
Sir,
like
I'll
me
tell
and you
you
are
our friends.
friends, isn't it?
They're like 3 and
No.
3, like
3
that.
and 7 are
Like
friends
me
because
and
they make 10.
3 and 7 are friends.
Yes, sir. I did this in a
Me and you
back.
are friends. Me and Chip are friends.
Sir,
So
I've
what
done
are
this in a
7?
back.
So friends are
7
2
and
and
9
8,
are enemies.
7 and 3,
Sir, 4 and 6, 5 and 5.
So 1 and 9.
5 is a selfish fellow, and 6 and 4.
No, but like how we will add the friends because no number.
Because rearrangement means you can add 837 and 363 first. Because 3 and 7 are in the ones place.
I'll be solving
And
it.
63 and 37 are also friends.
What, sir?
So the answer is
63 and 37 are also friends.
so the
Okay.
answer is 1709.
So Satu, did I ask the answer from you?
Oh, you have to solve this.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have kept my name on something in space.
Sakal Saga.
Sir, even I don't know it.
So Hakal Saag wala.
Sakal. Sir, I'm still not able to understand how to
Beta see,
rearrange.
suitable arrangement means first जो है ना मैं 837 और 363 को ऐड करूंगा मैं then I will add 509. Why? Because 807, 7 and 3 are friends जो ये ones place में है. These are
Yes.
friends. So when you add 837 and 363, you get what? You get 1200. This gives you 1200. So then you add
Yes.
1200 plus 509. So you get what? You get 1709. All right. So this is adding by suitable theory.
So, if you give this question, we have to write
Yes.
the answer, or we just have to write the numbers in the correct order.
Let us see. This is the method you have to use for your schools, Olympiads, anything. Because if you are not using calculator, this will help you to solve the question quickly. But those kids who are in CBSE, ICSE, they might get a question in their exam where they will have to do this step first, and then they have to do this step, and then they will get the answer.
Sir, because I guess, yeah, April 8th, we have Cambridge checkpoints, and in paper 1, we are not allowed to use calculator, but in paper 2, we are
Yeah,
allowed
in
to use.
Cambridge also, beta, I have seen questions like this where kids have to solve by suitable rearrangement.
Okay.
Okay, so can I
So
get the
just
next
tell me
question?
if you give us this question in Olympiad, like right now in the
Beta,
Olympiad
in
class.
Olympiad, I won't give you this question, na, but you can use this technique to get your answer quickly. Because beta, in from grade 6 na, sometimes they make so lengthy paper that even the national toppers are not able to, solve it in time. This year in grade 7, the paper was so lengthy that some of the topper kids were not able to make it completed, and they are some of the topper kids who get national international ranks regularly in all the exams. Even some of those kids were not able to complete the SOF.
Solve this question.
Yes.
Sir, how? I didn't know. Sir, we just have
What
to
are-
give you the answer, or do we have
What
to
are you
solve?
saying, Chatty? Yes, you have to solve
I
this
didn't
question.
know
of
about
course.
it only. Sir, no, do we have
Wakey,
to
wakey.
show the steps, or we just have to write the answer?
Beta, in the chat you have to give the final answer, but how you will solve it? By combining the friends. So
Okay.
definitely you are going to solve it by combining the friends. And guys, no class on Monday because there is some family function.
You can take a class tomorrow. Sir, I have to go somewhere tomorrow.
Who has to go somewhere? Why?
Chatty has to go
Sir,
somewhere.
do we have to do it without the notebook or with the notebook?
You can do it with
Sir,
the
I need to
notebook.
meet my sister.
If you want to leave, you can leave. Otherwise, the class is for 2-3 more minutes only.
Sir, will we do another question?
I don't think so, but I will explain this question like the right order.
Sir, I'm not able to do it in that order.
So let me explain. So Candy, beta,
Yes,
which two
sir.
numbers did you add first?
Sir, 123 and 37.
123 and 37 is correct. Then you added 254
Yes, sir.
and 5046 or no?
No, sir, I by mistake copied the wrong number.
So these
I
two
wrote
I will
two.
add first. I will get what? 160.
160.
Yes, sir.
These two you will add first. You will get what?
5300.
5300. And this will be 105. Now this you can add in any order. This will give you 5460. So this will give you 5565.
Sir, I
All
copied
right.
wrong the question.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a special guest. Hello, sir.
Yes, it's Goddess Radhu. Without
Yes,
even
sir.
seeing, I can tell you
Oh,
it's Goddess
hi,
Radhu.
Radhu. Hi.
So hello, Goddess Radhu.
You know, guys. Sir, she gets very teased when I call her goddess Radhu in the bus.
Why is that?
Sir, then she calls me chatterbox.
All right, guys. So I think we have understood this. We'll continue this in the next session. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye. Bye.